How to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. So this is a common issue when doing online check-ins or especially on older devices or under low light. So usually this isn't because of the app itself. The only reason it could be because of maybe the app is maybe you have internet connection problems. So before anything else, gotta make sure that your internet is doing well. So check you have good signal and check if you have good internet. You can go to a different platform like YouTube or TikTok to see if you're lagging there. And if you are, then it could be because of your internet connection. So you can switch to different connections or data if you want. But as long as you fix your internet connection, you can move on to the next problem, which could be because of poor lighting, glare on the passport. Camera permissions is not allowed. If you are able to use your camera in your app, then that's not a problem. Then another is blurry or scratch camera lens and an outdated app version. So go ahead and update your Ryanair app if you haven't. So you can go to your Play Store and search for Ryanair is here. If there are any updates, then just go ahead and do so. But other than that, if it is something else, then it could be because of the image itself. So if you're having problems with taking a picture, it's recommended to not hold the actual passport itself. You can wipe your phone camera front and back with a soft cloth or whatever camera you're using. Place the passport on a flat table and then use bright white light, not yellow light as well, since it does change colors, and avoid shadows over the code, the bottom two lines of your password, and then hold your phone 10 to 15 cm above the password and slowly move closer until the app detects the text. But again, that's pretty much the options you have if the password itself is not actually scanning properly. Either your internet connection is lag and there's problems with it scanning, or the image quality itself isn't as good as needed. So make sure it's clean as well. If you can see it yourself with your eyes, then the scanner itself should be able to as well. Well, hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.